We heard opening statements and testimony from the first witnesses in the Daylon Richardson trial. Richardson is accused of hitting and killing Knox County Sheriff's Deputy Nick Weist in April of 2022. Richardson has pled not guilty to 5 different charges, including murder with the intent to kill and murder with the strong probability to kill. If convicted, he could face life in prison. Joe McCoy was in the courtroom and joins us in studio right now. Joe, what's the bottom line in this case?
John, this case boils down to one question. Did what Daylon Richardson do meet the legal definition of murder in Illinois? Or did he simply lose control of his vehicle, leading to Weist's death?
We got one running on foot. We got an officer down, officer down, officer down, officer down!
This is the moment the 12-minute police chase of Daylon Richardson came to an end.
Get on your stomach!
Galesburg police officer Jarrett Tapscott handcuffing Richardson and then running to check if Deputy Nicholas Weist is alive. Moments prior, in this footage from Deputy Weist's dash cam, you see him lay down the spike strips. Seconds later, Richardson's car comes into frame. We froze in the video right before the officer was hit.
Headquarters 168 on the county radio. We have a deputy down, deputy down. Medics, get a life flight now!
When you arrived near Deputy Weist, what did you do?
Checked him for signs of life. I observed that he had sustained significant trauma to his body. I checked his pulse at 2 different locations and found that he was deceased.
Henry County State's Attorney Catherine Runty asking the jury to find that Richardson acted with intent to kill or seriously injure Deputy Weist.
At the end of this trial, ladies and gentlemen, after all of the testimony and the evidence, I'm going to ask you to find Daylon Richardson guilty of murdering Deputy Nicholas Weist.
Defense attorney Bruce Carman arguing Richardson made a horrible mistake, but is not a murderer.
On many levels, this you're going to find when you hear all the evidence. This is a very simple case because we don't disagree with a large portion of the evidence in this case. The first thing and most important thing we disagree with is why. Why defendants motor vehicle ended up striking and killing Nicholas Weist.
The question of why will determine if Richardson potentially spends the rest of his life in jail or not. John, a very emotional moment in the courtroom when the prosecution played the video of Officer Tapscott checking if Weist was alive in the ditch after being hit. Weist's entire family began crying in that moment, and there were about 25 spectators today in attendance. However, only one of them was there for Daylon Richardson, his mother, Tiffany. John.
All right, thank you, Joe. The trial is scheduled to wrap up on Friday. News 8 will have cameras in the courtroom throughout the trial. And over